July effect.
When Major General Mamman Vasa was tried and convicted for coup, he was a mere Federal Capital Territory Minister. Is that true?
Go and find out the appointments of all those who are arrested. No. I can't listen to your question because you are not well tutored on the organization and details.
As a lawyer,
he is not there as a lawyer, as a witness.
As a witness of truth, and as a lawyer, and as a witness, you should listen to questions and answer them, and not give lectures. My question is this: when General Vasa was tried and convicted for coup, he was a Federal Capital Territory Minister simpliciter. True or false?
False. For your information, there were 14 commanding officers who are commanding troops in Vasa's coup, who are physically commanding troops. Go and check your facts.
Name them, please.
I can't. Go and check your facts. I'm telling you now, my lord.
As a dismissed general.
Musa B.T. Young was commanding troops. Yoshe was commanding troops. Go and check.
Oladipo, dear Esquire, I won't get annoyed with you.
Tell him to mind his language.
You can't even get annoyed with me. You are too junior to get annoyed with me.
It's superior too cannot do that.
I know. You are in the commission, you are not in the barracks. And in the legal profession, there are ethics for witnesses.
Ask questions, please. Don't preach. Don't lecture.
My lord.
Ask questions, please. If you have no more questions, hand the microphone to another lawyer.
My lord, I have questions. General Dear, look at page 5 of Exhibit 1. Have you seen that? Have you seen that? Page 5 of Exhibit 1. Paragraph 19. Have you seen that? Have you seen paragraph 19?
Yes.
You've seen that?
Go on.
You don't order me to go on. I'm a lawyer of 15 years. You stated in paragraph 19 that all 9 of us, with the exception of Colonel Jando, are from the same ethnic group. And all of you were found guilty of treason. You maintain that position on us? Do you maintain that position on us that that was the truth?
Of course, that is the truth.
I say there were only 6 people that were found guilty of treason when you were tried. Is that true? Only 6, not 9.
That is not true. That is not true.
I say only 6, not 9.
That is not true. Simple.
You were 27 accused persons before the SMT in Jos. Is that true?
I have answered your question. That is not true.
You insist you are 9?
Yes.
My lord, I seek to tender the Provisional Ruling Council PRC confirmed sentence of coup plotters of December 1997 into evidence signed by Brigadier General J. Kikamba and the list of all the coup plotters into evidence. Dated and July into evidence.
Be able to get this type of document in his possession. That explains.
Is that original or duplicate or triplicate or what?
Well, Lord, is duplicate of duplicate. I don't know how safe this country can be if members of the bar and give this type of thing. You need consent of Secretary of Government.
Press me.